Okay, here's the water with the oily stuff on top. This is a pretty isolated spot. Well, I guess it's not oil. Doesn't seem to want to light on fire. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's still saturated. No rain in a week, and it's just saturated with mud. This isn't direct sunlight. I mean, this is as direct sunlight as you get. In the evening, as the sun goes down towards the west, and this is directly west, this gets full sunlight. Yeah. Just complete mud. I still don't get that. Why it looks so glossy. Is that sap? Look. The water right there, it looks like the really weird part is, I think it's strong enough probably for goats as long as they don't try to dig. Oh God, my foot almost sank into that. This is clay right here. This actually is solid now, but it's not going to tighten up real good. But still, the goats wouldn't be able to push it down. But it's not how I'd like to do it. Weird. What is that? Little flower there. The red. Yeah. So this is clay. Whatever this area is, it seems to be the source of the water. Right there where Minnie's standing, basically. It's just sopping wet. Now keep in mind, if this was just surface water, I mean, this is Texas heat, it should be drying up like that in no time. So I think what I'm going to have to do is clear the trees away from here and probably dig a basin out right over there to create like a pond. If there's really water coming from here, if I dig a big pond basically, I'm hoping it would drain backwards into that pond and give like a little, you know, livestock watering hole. Because I called the city, and I didn't call it city, I called the some well drilling places around here, and they said there's basically nothing you can do because it's in the city. And even if it wasn't in the city, they said, you know, it's kind of hard to cap if it's spread out like this. I think you could dig in deeper. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to dig a big hole and just watch it back drain and see if it really is an artesian spring. It'll be interesting though to see if it stays wet all summer. I mean, it'd be a real draw for the animals, deer and stuff, I would assume. Hot summer. The fact that it's on top of a hill is the weirdest thing. I mean, look, the hill goes directly down there really steeply. It even kind of goes downhill here. I don't know, baffling.